Okay, in today's lesson, we are going to learn about links, some more about the links. Actually, we are going to know about how internal links can be created and also the external links. Like to do that, you need to create the following structure. Okay, first of all, create a folder named web. Web කියලා folder එකක් හදාන්න. Inside the web folder, please create inside the web folder. Please create 3 folders: images, resources, and www. Inside the web folder, create a folder, and that folder is basically okay. Inside the web folder, please create a folder, and that folder is, wait, I'll show you. Okay, here you have web folder. Inside the web folder, there are 3 folders. That is images, resources, www. Images, resources, www folders තුනක් තියෙනවා. Images ඇතුලේ there are 2 folders, nature and other. Resources ඇතුලේ new, pages, videos කියලා folders තුනක් තියෙනවා. This is the structure, right? Web folder එක ඇතුලේ. I'll show this using command line also. Let me show this using command line also. Okay, this is the structure. Inside the web folder, there are 3 folders: images, resources, www. Web folder ඇතුලේ තියෙනවා images, resources, www කියලා. එතකොට ඒ images ඇතුලේ තියෙනවා nature සහ other කියලා. ඊට පස්සේ ඒ resources ඇතුලේ තියෙනවා new, ඒ වගේම pages සහ video කියලා. folders තුනක්. එතකොට මුළු folders ගාන images, resources, www කියලා folders තුනයි. web ඇතුලේ web එක 4යි. එතකොට images ඇතුලේ nature සහ other කියලා 2යි. resources ඇතුලේ new, pages, videos කියලා 3යි. ඉක්මනට හදන්න එක හදලා ඉවර නම් කියන්න. Please tell me if you have done. කැමති තැනක හදන්න web folder. web folder එක ඇතුලේ තමයි මෙහෙම තියෙන්නේ. Okay. Right. තව කවුරු හරි අද නැහැ ඉන්නවද? කල්හාර said he has finished. Okay. එතකොට ඒව ඇතුලේ මෙහෙම දාන්න. මේ nature folder එක ඇතුලේ images දෙකක් දාගන්න. Like අනෙක් එකක් දාගත්තත් කමන්නේ. I have put one image n1.jpg. nature ඇතුලේ තියෙනවා n1.jpg. You can copy one image. You can copy one image and paste there, right? Image එකක් අරගෙන paste කරගන්න. නම දාගන්න n1. Other ඇතුලේ තියෙනවා inside the other you can see three images, right? Image 1 jpg, image 2 jpg, image 3 jpg. That is inside other. But nature ඇතුලේ තියෙනවා inside nature you can see n1.jpg. Other ඇතුලේ තියෙනවා image 1 jpg, image 2 jpg, image 3 jpg. It was a resources ඇතුලේ තියෙන folders තුන එක new ඇතුලේ තියෙනවා. Like there are two files, srilanka.odp, stu.py, two files. ඔයාලා කැමති දෙකක් දාගන්න. Anything that you like. Two files inside new Word file එකකුයි Excel file එකකුයි හරි කමන්නේ. Then inside the pages, page 1 HTML, page 2 HTML. Inside videos, you have v1.mp4, v1.mp4. Inside www, there's index.html. There's a folder index.html. Okay, again I'm telling, listen carefully. Inside nature, one image. Inside other, three images. Inside other, three images. Okay, I'm writing this right because like sometimes you might confuse. Okay. Mainly you have web folder. Web folder has three subfolders. One is images. Number two is resources. Number three is www. Inside images, you have two folders. Number one is nature. Number two is other. Inside nature folder, there's one image that is N1 JPG. Inside other folder, there are three images. Image 1.jpg, image 2.jpg, image 3.jpg. Inside the resources, there are three folders. One is new. Inside that you have two, maybe you can say doc 1.docx, maybe Excel files, maybe sheet one, sheet okay, sheet, maybe like the sheets.xlsx, two files. Then you have pages. Inside that two files, page 1.html, page 2.html. Inside www, you have index.html, and this is the structure. Altogether, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 folders. Then the more, or you have videos. So I just forgot to mention that. Number 3 here is videos. Third folder is videos. There you have v1.mp4. Okay, how many folders? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 folders. How many files? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 files and 9 folders. Please create the structure immediately and tell me, like you can use your existing resources and rename. ඔයාලගේ තියෙන resources මාරගෙන rename කරගන්න පුතේ. Like if you have any doubt, you can tell me. I will give you 3 minutes to complete this activity now. Now you can start.